Hello guys, welcome to you in this session. In this session we're going to explore about the Java programming. So Java is a programming language. With the help of Java we can create our programs or create our software. So let's move towards today's agenda. So today's agenda include what is Java programming, applications of Java programming, types of applications we have in Java, we have the different editions in Java, and what are the features of Java. So let's explore one by one these concepts. So what is Java programming? Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have a few implementation dependency as possible. So Java is the name of the language. Programming is the art in which we write computer understandable instructions. So we call them program. So when we write our program in the syntax of Java, we call them Java program. So Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language. In Java, we design our application, we create our application with the help of classes and object. That is why we call them object oriented programming language. And like C++, so in C++ we can create our program without the concept of object oriented programming, but Java is a pure class based object oriented programming language. That is why it called the pure programming language, object oriented. So Java can be once write, run anywhere. So like in C++ program, we write our program and we compile them, and that is run our applications. But in Java, in the case of Java, we write it once and it will convert to a byte code, and that byte code can be run anywhere. So that is why we call them Java can be run once write and run anywhere. Java applications are typically compiled to byte code that can run on any Java virtual machines. So we call them JVM. So that byte code is run our Java virtual machine can run our byte code. So they can be run anywhere. So when we write Java program, that program is compiled towards bytecode, and that bytecode can be run on JVM. So where the JVM installed, so it will run our Java program. So that is why that bytecode make it independent. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which has been seen acquired by Oracle. So now you can download the Java or download kit from Oracle. So it is owned by the Oracle organization and released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystem Java platform. So it's about the Java programming, introduction towards the Java programming. So let's explore our today's agenda. So applications of Java we have. So according to some 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them are as follows. Mobile applications. We have the Android system. So Android system is purely written in Java programming. So that is why our Android devices is run by Java. Nowadays Kotlin also be implemented as official language of Android developers, but Java is the official language of Android. So our smartphones can be run by the Java. So if you have a desktop applications, variety of desktop application are run. We have the embedded systems. Embedded system are those systems which are embedded and which are operated, such as a Windows C operating system are installed on our few stations. Variety of games are written in Java. So these are the applications which are developed, mobile applications. Android system is written in Java. Desktop applications we have embedded systems, and we have games. We have the types of Java application. What are different types of applications? So different types of application are developed in Java, as we discussed earlier. Standalone application is also called desktop application. They are traditional software which can install on our machines such as computer or laptops. So standalone applications, we can make a lot of software with the help of Java, and they are for example, we have airline reservation system, we have bank management system, we have a lot of management system we can run. So depend upon the developer, and depend upon the requirements. So we can create variety of applications with the help of Java and desktop applications. So stand-alone applications are also called desktop applications. So we, with the help of Java, we can create mobile application. Nowadays we use smartphones. The smartphones works on application known as app. Popular mobile or operating system are Android, iOS. So iOS is developed in Swift language, while Android system is developed in Java language. So we have the web-based application. So everything is available on web. So in application that can run on the server side and create dynamic page is called a web-based application. So currently servlet, GSP, Spring, Hibernate, JSP, etc. technologies are used for creating web-based application in Java. So for web-based application development in Java, there are a lot of things with the help of which you can create a web-based application. You call them frameworks. So in every programming language we have frameworks, while in Java we have the Spring framework, the Hibernate framework, the JSP servlet. So these are the different kinds of frameworks depend upon the user and depend upon the requirements of a user. So we adopt these framework and create a web-based application in Java. So we have the Java editions, very important questions, and when you uh, go towards the interview for a job interview, they may ask you about the Java edition. So we have the Java SE edition, Java Standard Edition. In addition to the core API, the Standard Edition platform consists of virtual machines, development tools, deployment technologies, and other class libraries, toolkits commonly used in Java technology applications. So these are called standard edition. So in standard Java edition, we used a different frameworks, different technologies, Hibernate, Spring, Swing. So these are the technology we use. We have different libraries. So all these applications, when we use on our computer system, or we call them standalone applications, are developed in Java standard edition. So in Java standard, we use Java standard edition and we create variety of applications for our own use. We have the Java EE edition, Java Enterprise Edition. So in the Java Enterprise Edition, we built on the top of the Java SE platform. So the Java EE Edition platform provides an API and runtime environment for developing and running a large-scale applications. So multi-tiered, scalable, reliable, and secure network applications. So when we move towards the organization, we will use the Java Enterprise Edition. So we create applications for the enterprise. So enterprise is a very big organization. So that is why in these um, product development we use the Java EE editions. We call them Java Enterprise Edition. So Java Standard Edition provide a platform, while in Java EE edition we use the platform SE and the platform of Java EE editions. So that is why it provides APIs. So all these things are quite complex when we creating applications. So we use Java Enterprise Editions for developing applications for enterprises, for organizations. So we have the Java Edition. So Java Micro Edition. So the Java Micro Edition provide an API and small footprint virtual machines for running Java programming language applications on small devices like mobile phones. The API is a subset of the Java set API application programming interface along with the special class libraries we have, and useful for small device application development. Java ME edition application often clients of Java EE platform services. So Java ME edition or Java Micro edition is just the platform services provided by Java Enterprise Edition. So Java Enterprise Edition is very big edition, and when we create bigger application, while in Java Micro Edition we create small application for mobile phones. So that is why all these are platforms. So depend upon the user and depend upon the developer choice. So it's up to the application. So when application is bigger, we use Java Enterprise Edition. So we have JavaFX. JavaFX is a platform for creating rich internet applications that are run. So using a lightweight user interface API, JavaFX application use hardware accelerated graphics and media engines to take the advantage of higher performance client and modern look feel as well as have. So the JavaFX is used for higher performance. So JavaFX Edition help us to create applications that are run on networks, they are connected with networks, and they are work. So in JavaFX, applications may be clients of Java EE platform services. So Java Micro Edition and Java FX Edition are the microservice of Java Enterprise Edition. So in Enterprise, we create these big applications, and we give them ports, we give them links and nodes to work with different offices locations. So that is why these micro and FX work as a node for the Java Enterprise Edition. So we have the features of Java. Java is simple, secure, portable, and robust. Simple is that Java syntax is simple, but as not simple as we expect it. It's secure. So Java is a very secure language. So creating applications in Java will be provide a variety of security. So when the user is worried about the security, so we use Java language. Portable, so it can be run anywhere, so its application can be run anywhere. And robust, so the applications can be run and the application reliability is very high, so performance is very high. So that is why the quality of the product is increases, and it will be better when we create applications in Java. So it's all about the Java language. We explain about the Java programming, the Java editions, the Java features, types of applications we have. So it's all about the introduction towards Java. Stay tuned with us.